Good morning, Nigeria. This is Benin Auchi Road. The road is completely blocked by drivers that are plying the road. As you can see, reporting live from Benin Auchi Road, there was a vehicle that was attacked yesterday night and was riddled with bullets, and the passengers were kidnapped, and the driver is currently here. Driver, please, can you tell us what happened yesterday night?
Yesterday at about 5:30.
Yes.
They come from Ekuma to Benin. So all of a sudden they are all enter them.
Yes.
Start shooting. So they shoot. Then bullet enter and they shoot my motor. Then the gun meet my bullet meet my passenger.
Your passenger was not on the front or the back?
Front.
On the front seat.
But the rest was safe.
Yes.
So I started to
What time is this, sir?
5:30.
5:30 in the evening. So it's not around 6.
No,
5:30.
5:30.
So there were there police security
Yes,
operatives?
I passed one checking part moat house the other side down.
Okay.
Then the other one was army.
Yeah, okay. So it means that there were about one or two security checking points, roadblock on the road. So where is the passenger that was shot? Where is the passenger present? The hospital. But we are not aware of whether it's safe or not, whether it's on a good head.
No, I believe it's
Okay, it's safe. So what is now leading to the blockage of this road now, as it stands now? So government should come and give you reasons why there is security in the road.
Because I carry three motor.
Oh,
the whole passenger.
They are inside the bush.
Right now.
So what do you want to tell the Nigerian government, the state government?
Government will come and tell us what is happening here.
They should come and tell you. So if the government is not, you don't come now, you will not open the road.
No.
That's what you are not saying.
Yes.
So we are now calling on the state government to take charge.
Yes.
The Obaseki should come and take charge.
Right now.
Because Benin Auchi Road is located in Edo State. That Obaseki should come and take charge. Ehon axis in particular. Thank you very much. You have another thing to say, sir? Are you a driver on this road?
I'm the driver.
So what's the issue, sir?
We don't get security for this Nigeria.
There should be security.
Why?
Improvement in security.
They watch drama. They wait out of the carry back people, they do bush. Everywhere in the day. We don't get that for this Nigeria here.
Okay.
Take drone there, we don't enter bush. Where the man go, when police union go, they will come back. Who get bush, who don't go, they come out.
So what's your advice, sir? What's your advice? Government should come and take charge.
Okay, when did they campaign that day?
Yes.
When did they campaign that day? They get out to go down to the back up.
Yes.
Okay, when they kidnap now, when they go down, when they carry that bush.
So let us know that this is the car that was riddled with bullets. Luckily for the driver escaped. As you can see, the driver is apparently here. He that held him, but he was lucky that the bullet did not get to him. And these passengers, and the passenger was affected. So the state government should come and take charge because the state is not safe for Benin Auchi Road in particular. Yes. Okay, what do you have to say for us, sir?
No, like that, yesterday we were in the garage.
Yes.
Not even this man. No, this man was the second person that came.
Okay.
The other person came.
Yes.
But when they carry the whole passengers,
Yes.
when they discovered that their bullet has finished,
Yes.
so the other Fulani guy was with gun. So he started beating that guy, carrying stick. So when that Fulani guy became weak, that was how the driver escaped.
Okay.
So he came to the garage. He said all of them, they were Fulani people.
Okay, you are very sure.
Very, very sure. The guy was saying it in the garage.
Okay.
Look at people, we are there.
Okay.
He was saying it. Another person that even managed to escape.
Yes.
Before even this one again.
Yeah.
But that man said that I was one of the victims.
Okay.
3 months ago.
Okay.
But they kidnapped me.
Wow.
But God intervened.
Yeah.
After 3 days.
You were released.
I was released. Because of the way God intervened.
Yes.
But the way they were handling people there, and the people that kidnapped me, they also Fulani also, 6 of them. I saw them, I was with them. So I was one of the victims. The government is supposed to compensate me.
And you paid ransom before you were released, Oga?
No.
Okay. But the government security officials came to release you?
No. They are the one. I said, God in heaven, I pray. God heard my prayer.
Okay.
They are the one that lead us, tell me to go.
So you mean that they freed you without collecting ransom from you?
Yes.
But after spending 3 days and 3 nights with them?
Yes.
So we want to say that the government should take charge. That's the whole essence.
This road now has been so hot, has been so uncomfortable.
We are
for every commuters in this road. What is happening?
We are aware that drivers in this road are going to Abuja,
This guy
Kano,
don't happen any other place.
and State
In the
Capital.
whole south. It's only this place.
The police, soldier, and DSS, all of them should come and take charge of the security of the road.
Honestly,
Okay.
if it requires them to use diabolic means, let them use diabolic means. Enter bush. Because of people are going every day. People are being kidnapped every day. These are the indigenous and citizens of this state.
Ladies and gentlemen,
And
passengers are stranded. Ladies and gentlemen, passengers are stranded.
They are stranded.
Edo State to buy a reporter.
Okay.
Begin to patrol. And the policeman is suggesting to them that they should buy ammo car and begin to patrol this road 24 hours. So we are not saying we will not leave the road or we will not leave this road until they answer us.
So who do you want? Who do you want to come before?
Government to go to our aid by releasing those ones that have been kidnapping.
Oh, some people are in the bush already.
People are in the bush. Our people cannot continue suffering in the bush.
Okay.
I want people to video this day and send it. This is the information that has made us escape the kidnapping.
Mr. Driver, sir, for information, this video is going straight to the governor. As it stands with them, Nigeria,
Let it be the
you want the government to come and intervene. No problem.
We cannot continue like this.
No problem.
We cannot be traveling and be holding our mind.
So the governor should come.
Yes.
He get camera.
Okay.
They remove it.
Okay.
About a month ago, they launched 3 drums on this road.
Okay.
They are not working.
Okay.
They are not working. When you are paying somebody's salary, it's not working. What do you do?
You take charge.
Now we are paying 100 naira on this road to police every day. We are not secure. Generating revenue to government. We are not secure.
And you pay for tickets. You pay tickets in your garages.
We are not secured. Our passengers are in the bush. Our drivers are in the bush by Fulani. Me, my own country, in my own village, somebody will come and dominate me. Let the security people
Take charge. No problem,
You
sir.
guys get there 4 times. Four
Okay.
times. Put 4 times. Now, if you even check my screen now, they break my screen. I've escaped there 4 times. The 4th one, I was so lucky that as I was coming, police escort was also coming. So maybe I reached there, the police escort was coming, I opened fire. That is how I escaped that 4th one. I've met them 4 times, 4 good times.
How did they? Is it that they block the road with a wood or they open fire?
They'll just run. No, they have a danger point.
Okay.
We're about from here to Ehona or from here to Irekpe.
Yes.
There are about almost 6 dangerous points.
Okay.
So immediately you are approaching the place, they will just come out. It's either they will ask you to stop or they will ask you to.
Are there not security officials in those
There are
places?
security officials on the duty.
Yes.
No, what normally happens is that when the officials are out of the road, that is where you normally see them. Even sometime, like 2 or 3 weeks ago now, when the kidnapper was operating, we met the police. Police told us that kidnappers are operating and we should park.
The security says you park.
Yes.
That's interesting. Because they're telling you to park.
Those are me at Ogbomudia farm.
Yes.
Another day again, they were operating at that hill.
Yes.
Before that, where SARS used to stay.
Yes.
Before SARS used to stay. The soldier men told us that we should park, that those bus are operating. So we had to park, let them back up and them.
That's interesting.
Make our government
Yes.
secure our lives.
Yes.
It is not a Uchi road is no longer safe for us.
No problem.
Normally, below Uchi road, they will not transfer for here. Kidnappers are on the road, policemen are on the road. Why? Let them save our life. Our children are in the bush, our drivers are in the bush. Let them give us security. That's what we are clamoring for. We are not clamoring for any other security.
In specific names, sir, can we know the names of these drivers that we are talking about and the present in the bush? Do you have their names, please?
Yesterday,
Yes, what is his name, please? AY. Which park is it loading, please? Rama Park, okay. Which vehicle are we talking about here, sir?
Full 18-seater, nobody come out for this.
till today, they have not seen the driver.
Are we saying about it? Is it about 2 days ago or a day? A month plus.
Yesterday,
I am not even driver. Yesterday,
at
sir.
5 p.m., 3 of the vehicles were attacked here.
Yes.
One of our drivers.
One of the drivers was badly injured. He's at the hospital now.
Justice.
The passengers are inside the bush.
Yes.
Yesterday here, that is why we cried out.
Can we know the spot that they were attacked,
This
please?
particular spot here. At before police
Please let us know the exact point so that the governor will be aware. If we know,
checkpoint.